Hey YouTube, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks again for coming back. Today we're going to be doing a quick budget with me video. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for today's budget, this is our second paycheck in July. And I know this says monthly, but I just use it as a paycheck. As always, I've already handled these items because these are my priorities and I count them as if I didn't have that money. So what I have left for this week is $527. So, see if that's a little better for you to see. There we go. So that's the money that we're factoring in. And then I should already have this pre-made, but I do not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my variable expenses. So I have groceries, and for groceries, I always do $100 per week. Then I have gas. I've recently increased the amount of gas that I get weekly by $6. Gas prices have gone up, and I'm also taking a new route to work, so I have to factor in tolls. I'm honestly still not even sure how much tolls will be. I'm estimating this amount, but I have a feeling that it's higher than that. But for now, we'll leave it as such. Then I have beauty. With beauty, I am putting in $10. I want to make a purchase of hair treatment, and then I do use beauty usually for toiletries to have one less thing to account for. Then we have health, and in health I am putting in $20. Then I have Ken, who is my dog, and for Ken I'm factoring $5. And Ken doesn't really need much. He gets food and treats, and every so often he'll get some grooming done. Then I have gifts, and gifts is getting $10 this time round. Next up I have spending, which is my personal hobbies sort of spending, and miscellaneous. I tend to use my spending just for miscellaneous things too. So this week we are getting $50. Next we have investing, and for investing this week we're putting in $10. I have kids, and in the kids fund I'm putting in $10 as well. In clothing or clothes, I'm putting in $25. So for clothes I'm putting in $25. I have certain items that I need to purchase, so I'm adding in more each week, so when I make those purchases I'll still have some left in the account. And then I have car, and for car I'm putting in $60 this week, and my car is car maintenance and trying to get ahead on my auto insurance, so that's what I'm using car for. Family, ooh, wrong color. We'll do family, and for family this week we are doing $40. And now we're moving to our more long-term sinking funds. So I have my back to school And back to school is one that we're going to use soon. And back to school, we are putting in $11 this week. Then I have vacation, and in my vacation fund, I'm putting in 30. Then we have Christmas, and in my Christmas fund, we are putting in 30. Then I have my daughter and my son's fund, and in their fund, I'm putting in 20 each. And then I have, I guess I had room for one more. I could have added that down here. Hubby's and my account, and we're each getting 20 as well. Gives me 527, and I'm just gonna add it to make sure. Okay, and then what I like to do is, I'm gonna move this over. So then I always like checking it just to make sure I was correct, and I do that by just subtracting the amounts from the total that I had, just to make sure that I covered everything. So 100, 0. So I got 0. So I know that my totals are correct. Right. So then my income was 527. My expenses were 527, and that gives me a total of $0. And that is my 0 base income. And that's it. That's my budget for this pay period. Please like and comment down below if you have any ideas for future videos or anything that you want to see. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.